Lily Home in Bergenfield is situated in a family-friendly neighborhood. The screened-in porch overlooks a deep backyard. The one-car garage was converted to a wired office or playroom. Low taxes are just $6,257. With a roomy 45 by 100 lot, you can enjoy your privacy. Near New York City bus, shopping, entertainment, highways, and worship, come take a look at this beautiful home.